Welcome to the Mr. Smart Maths channel, and my name is Mr. Smart. In this video we're going to be looking at factorials, and a factorial is the product of all positive whole numbers less than n, a number of your choosing. So 6 factorial we would write using an exclamation mark symbol, and it is all of the numbers from 6 going down in whole numbers until we reach 1. So 2 examples here. 6 factorial is 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which equals 720. And 4 factorial is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, and the answer to that is 24. Now you might be asked to use factorial in some statistics calculations. So something like 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial is going to be 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. And hopefully you can see that both the numerator and the denominator in this fraction has the numbers 3, 2 and 1 that we can cancel out. So we're now left with 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4, which comes to 840. In my final example, we've got a couple of factorials multiplied together. So we've got 5 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial, and we're going to divide that by 4 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And again, we can simplify and cancel out some of these numbers in the numerator and the denominator. What are we left with? We're left with 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. And so the final answer to this calculation is 10. Be sure to check out the Mr. Smart Maths channel on YouTube, Mr. Smart Maths, and the website mrsmartmaths.com. See you again soon.